वेलकम मैशेबल इंडिया, वेलकम टू आवर होम।
आप ही का इंतजार कर रहे थे, बहुत देर कर दी आपने आने में। आइए।
प्लीज कम इन। So basically आप एंटर करते हैं into our living area. This is basically the most lively zone of our house. सबसे ज़्यादा चहल पहल पूरे दिन में इस एरिया में हो रही है, whether it's the kids running or us sitting here watching TV or having our meals or you know when people are coming in. Everything, the house is buzzing around this area. So ये सबसे busy area है और आज इतना साफ लग रहा है।
वो आप लोगों के लिए किया है, वैसे साफ नहीं होता। बच्चे होते हैं तो कहीं से भी कुछ भी हो रहा होता है। एंड एट द सेम टाइम हम ये टेबल हटा देते हैं और फिर बच्चे यहाँ पे खेलते हैं। एंड आप लोग जानना चाहते थे कि ये टीवी है या ये पेंटिंग है। ये एक्चुअली टीवी है, फ्रेम टीवी है। सो अभी ऐसे देखेंगे तो पिक्चर्स दिखेंगी, अदरवाइज इट्स अ टीवी, टेलीविजन, जिसमें हम सब कुछ भी देख सकते हैं।
I think what instantly attracted us to this house is obviously the ceiling height. You know, it gives you a very nice feel. At the same time, there was a lot of warmth. And for me, I think particularly it's very important कि sunlight आए and you know घर पूरे time थोड़ा vibrant and lit up रहे. And obviously we had a brand called Life in Colors do the wallpaper for this wall here, and they did I think they did a beautiful job. जो भी आता है, they would always commend the wallpaper because it really I think complements the ceiling height. Like I said, the busiest area, obviously it was very important to understand कि क्या color scheme रखें. Obviously, every few years we keep changing also, but अभी initially, you know, we went with the florals. Obviously, I think it was my idea.
Yeah. It's been picked by her, the color schemes. And at the same time, all the furniture is been wonderful.
Customized.
Yeah, customized.
Yeah.
A wonderful gallery called Imperial Gallery.
Yeah. It's in Goregaon West. Yeah. We wanted the rattan furniture for the house, like this cabinet you can see here. Also a lot of storage. So this cabinet here, it holds all the books that we have.
I think हम लोग दोनों ऑनलाइन बैठ के रिसर्च करते रहे, क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए वो करते रहे, बट एट द सेम टाइम जैसा चाहिए था, होमली फील चाहिए था, वो मिल गया।
Yeah, we like थोड़ा सा you know wooden feel, like with plants and stuff. That is what I think we go for. We both tend to tilt towards. Now that we're in this area, I'll talk about the plants because I'm mentioning them. These planters are from Mason Home. I think I was very sure that I wanted this huge planter. I wanted just one and we ended up buying two because okay, दोनों साइड पे रख देंगे। Gautam loves elephants and Buddha ji. So जहाँ पे आपको elephants और Buddha ji दिखे, like this संदूक here, this has okay.
Yeah, this all is customized.
Okay, this is also customized. So everything that has elephants will be Gautam, and Buddha Ji's will be Gautam. Obviously, we matched the floral yellow and green with the green sofas, and obviously the pillows into matching and the yellow sofa.
बढ़िया। अब
हाँ वहाँ जाना है, ठीक है। Another thing that you need to know about Gautam, he is very, very finicky when it comes to having tea. So you will always see a lot of tables. There were side tables. Then we came to this. I said, okay, so this can be put inside. You cannot put anything on the sofa. Then we got sofa covers.
Basically, आप लोगों के लिए सोफा कवर निकाले हैं, नहीं तो इन पे सोफा कवर होते हैं, बच्चों का खराब हो जाता। समझ रहे हैं ना आप?
Yes. So this is pretty much the living room. This dining table is from Urban Ladder, I think. I just had to mention once that I want something in jute for the table because it goes with the rattan, and Gautam was the right person because then he does an elaborate research on everything कि क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए।
जूट का हमने ये तो मंगा ही लिया था, बाद में बहुत सारी चीजें और मंगा ली थी।
Yeah, and this sandook again was ordered by Gautam online. I think he ordered it on Amazon. I think Gautam loves the idea of corners in a house. You know, sitting corners. He might not have sat here even once to have his tea. दो बार, wow, in 1.5 साल. And he said, no, I want this tea and coffee corner. I can put my coffee here and I can look in the balcony.
जी रख दिया फिर थोड़ी, फिर तो कर ही नहीं सकते।
But he really fought his way to buy this settee. I think it is a very beautiful corner. More than him, I have shot a lot of content here. I have used a lot of this. Also mirrors will be me. Mirrors and jharokas.
ये मैंने मंगाया था।
मैंने मंगाया।
मैंने मंगाया।
मैंने मंगाया।
अरे मैंने मंगाया यार।
नहीं, मैंने मंगाया।
अरे नायका से मैंने मंगाया है।
ओके देन फिर मैंने सिलेक्ट किया होगा डिजाइन,
मैंने
आई एम
मंगाया।
श्योर।
ऐसे थोड़ी है।
आई मे बी
नो पक्का।
fine, he has ordered it, but all of the other mirrors I have ordered.
बाकी इसमें।
हाँ. Let's move on to the paintings. I think ये also we were really wondering, but I had seen an image.
That's her concept.
So yeah, that's a holy event going on there. That's the tree of life here. This is like you say, what is it called? Worli, the Worli painting here. This style of art. It's my favorite corner. Another thing that is, since you're here, I have to show you this. These are gracing our table today, and these are planted by Radhya and Raditya. So like I said, Gautam got the assignment to the T. He ordered as part of the jute this thing. Obviously here these are our kids' hands. First day of school, so I think that's a sweet remembrance. I think my approach to styling a house is maximalist kind of an approach. I like all corners filled. I remember my mother coming and she said, "तुम हर कुछ भरती क्यों रहती हो?" I think that's what I like, and I think you also like it. So welcome to the balcony of this house. I think ये भी एक बहुत की फैक्टर था, बिकॉज आजकल के आई थिंक जितने न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं उनमें बालकनी नहीं है ना।
आप देख सकते हैं जैसे कि एक ये कार्पेट है ग्रीन ग्रास का, और साथ में ऑल द प्लांट्स, वी लव ग्रीनरी, सो मतलब जितने प्लांट्स भर सकते थे आगे तक वो सारे कर दिए हमने। लाइक इट बिकेम अ प्रॉपर काइंड ऑफ अ स्मॉल गार्डन।
एंड दिस झूला इज कर्टेसी गौतम, ही वांटेड अ झूला।
तो ये झूला है जो मुझे चाहिए था। तो बहुत ऑनलाइन चेक किया, बहुत रिसर्च किया, फिर एक ड्रीमलाइन आउटडोर फर्नीचर है कंपनी, उन्होंने कस्टमाइज करा हमारे लिए, एंड इट्स एन एक्सीलेंट वन। बहुत रिलैक्सिंग है, बच्चे बहुत पसंद करते हैं यहाँ पे सुबह बैठने। सो जो सुबह की चाय होती है मोर और लेस, कभी कभी तो हम यहीं पे
बारिश स्पेशली इस टाइम
में बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
डेफिनेटली गौतम का फेवरेट कॉर्नर तो है ही,
मेरा है
तो, एंड आई थिंक मेरा भी है, बिकॉज आई लव कमिंग एंड सिटिंग हियर विद द किड्स, दे लव इट।
आप सोच रहे होंगे ये क्यों है यहाँ पे, ये गेट है सेफ्टी के लिए, बच्चे हैं घर में।
We baby proof the house. As a part of that, ये gates लगाए थे। Boy Raditya, he started climbing up the stairs very early.
7-8 महीने में शुरू हो गए थे भाई साहब, और उसके बाद
अब तो without holding anything he just runs.
अब both of them now.
Both of them, हाँ.
Let's go to our kids room.
Kids room. Welcome to our kids room.
Hello.
And this is a labor of love. We introduced like a lot of playing space for them. I organized all their toys here. सारे music toys एक में, सारे board games एक में, and I obviously created this little library here so that they can come and they pick up their choice of book, and they do that, which is the best part. So at night or during the day, we come here and they say this one is the one that I want to read. Obviously, two things that I'm very fond of. One is space, so I had to definitely put all the planets there. It's a ritual in the morning. They come here when they wake up for their play school. So we come here. I said, okay, say hi to the continents. So they say hi, and Raditya calls it Asia. So hi Asia, and he says, and then they say hi to each of the planets, including the sun, and they do Jai Surya Dev and stuff. And this is an extendable sofa cum bed, and yeah, this is pretty much it. I did this fairy lights abhi thode time pehle for their birthday. I thought they'll be really amazed. This is their photo shoot when we were getting released from the hospital. So yeah, the hospital did that for them. They did a little photo shoot for them, and this is sent from a brand called Kidoko. It's actually a 5-in-1 kind of a place. So it multi-purposes as a study table. It's also like a climbing ladder. So when you put it like that, it's also a storage space, like you can see here. It's like a multi-purpose kind of a play area. Thank you so much,
Mashable India, for covering our home.
Yes.
देखा क्या सिंक करते हैं हम लोग, साथ बोलते हैं। आप जा रहे हैं? तो तुसी ना जाओ यार। तो ठीक है जा रहे हो तो ठीक है यार।
Yes, ये हमारी
थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ।
Thank you Mashable India.
चलो टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस,
Bye bye.
बाय बाय, सी यू।